Kawai na ki jingkala haki kamsain pertai hapok kejela. Kalawan hadian bakumba shis pangut kinongket kam bakintup ya nongialam barat ba jongka UDP Ri-Bhoi District. Kila no kam na kaseng ban kner jingkersan ya kakong Magdalene S. Maulong MDC ko umsning. Kaban saya kun ya ke election hau arjar arpulai na nongpo constituency. Watla kakong Maulong kampat penbenapat ba na kaseng ayu kan yeng. Kitolong kubor kiatu bakala banyakun na ka NPP. Kinong kersan ke UDP, bat kinong yalam na Ri-Bhoi. Kila sim ya karai ban no kam na ke UDP, ha ka jingelang kablalong, hayaw Maulong dorbar hall nongpo.
Today morning, we have four of the executive members of the UDP, United Democratic Party from Ri-Bhoi District. We have tendered our resignation. There is no future for the United Democratic Party, especially when we speak about the Nongpo constituency. The party has been put up candidates since 1997, since the party inception. But for the last 25 years, we have not win the assembly election, not even once. This has made all the leaders to take a collective decision that we will leave behind the party and will be putting and extend our support to the candidature of Srimati Magdalene S. Maulong